what's up everybody, it's your girl Q and I'm back at it with another video. And today I have my beautiful daughter Kayla and my beautiful cousin Romeo. And how old are you guys?
I'm 6. 12.
And they will be doing my hair, my makeup fully. They even dressed me, guys. So yeah, I'm excited to see what they got for me. I know they ain't gonna fail me, and they just about to go to work. So see what they got.
Let's do this.
First thing we're gonna start off with is LA Girl Pro Prep Face Primer. LA Girl Pro Foundation, and it's the number, and it's 10. I used 2 squirts. The blending brush, I'm gonna blend.
Oops.
I said my mustache, not my damn lip.
Really, nigga?
It's okay, because you're going to put color over it anyways.
Okay guys, now I'm done blending in with the brush.
Okay, so this is how my foundation came out.
Nice.
Okay.
Next, we're going to start with eyeshadow and blush. These are the prettiest colors I've ever seen. This one, right here. Yeah, it's this one.
Looking like some real makeup artists. See? Okay, so Jayla applied a little bit of blush to my cheeks.
Next we're going to be doing the whipped lip gloss.
My eyes gotta do with it. I actually think this color looks really cute with the shirt.
That's why I picked it.
Mm-hmm.
On Jayla.
My turn next, right?
Yeah, your turn. I have made an accident on the lips, so I'm going to be using another LA Girl product.
So these are my lips. Ooh, you did a really good job. Kissable.
So I switched it. They like switch it up. So weak. This one. I'm using the same brush though. So I'm gonna use the green first. This color match my mom's shirt.
You can use 2 different colors too. It doesn't matter how many colors you want to use.
So I'm going to use this color. I mean 2 colors. This color and this brownish color. Yep, I set up brown. I like the color brown mostly.
Oh, I'm doing the ending too.
It's okay if it's on my eyelash because you guys can use the mascara.
There.
Okay, so Jayla just got done with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my wine while y'all finish up.
Next, we're gonna be starting off with the highlighter. So I'm just gonna be like putting it on the cheek. Clean brush. Now I'm gonna blend it in with this brush.
I'm already looking like, ow.
Right now, I'm using her mascara.
Don't poke my eyes out now.
I'm done with that. I'm moving on to the next side.
You're right.
Next, we're going to be doing the top brow and using this brush.
I feel so freaking beautiful. I really think this lip color complements the shirt. And I don't know if I told you guys this, but they definitely picked out my outfit, you guys. They went in my closet, found some of my old clothes, but so cute. Don't make me look dark now, I look like a cholo.
What is that?
Comment down below if y'all know what a cholo is.
What is a cholo?
And how they used to do their
Oh,
eyebrows
is
back
it
in the day.
Is it a dog? A cholo?
No, it's how the Mexican girls used to wear them.
Chilo.
They made them really thin and really dark. What you thinking? What you thinking? Good? You done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait, no, I believe that. clear. I'm gonna go back in with the conceal to clean up her eyebrows. Now I'm gonna blend it in with this mini blender.
Yeah, you can tell me what do we do, like, for makeup. We can't really ask it.
Now I'm done.
Okay, so these are my eyebrows that Romella LaShawn
I'm gonna
did.
finish it off with setting spray. You look so beautiful.
So this is the final look for the makeup that they did. You guys did really good. I feel like they did really, 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 really good.
So we are now done with the makeup tutorial. Now we're starting on her hair. I'm gonna cast. So
Down you dirty ass.
first thing first, we are gonna start off with the brush and brushing her hair. So yeah, how we gonna be doing it in a ponytail?
Nobody is. She looks a little kid.
You can do it however you guys
bad.
want it.
Oh, so you can put like 2 points instead of
Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna be parting the hair before we make it into a back bun.
Okay, so she's going with the side part.
Then we brush it this way.
Okay, Jelly, you can get the brush so you can do this side, I guess.
Yeah, just like we're gonna be using this F Eco gel.
I'm gonna be doing her edges, right, Patty?
No, I'm doing it.
We can do one side of her edges.
Okay. You don't want to add a lot because it can damage your hair. Okay. Next.
Damage her hair?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's no white over there.
That part. Yeah, what are you doing?
Ooh, I'm looking real sleek, you guys. I'm liking it so far. This is actually how I wear my hair, like with a deep part. So I'm digging it, I'm digging it. Jello, why are you looking like that?
I helped her out because she had some struggles. So guys, now we found a rubber band.
Hair tie.
Okay, now I'm just going to the doctor. Okay, now you're gonna put the rubber band on it.
They're doing a really good job. I did not tell them what to do to my hair. They just did it.
Okay. I'm gonna be using this Cantu Edge gel.
Jayla, what'd you use for my edges?
Oh no.
You don't know, you just decided to do it.
I think I used a gel.
Okay. The equal
It's
side
not
gel.
green bottom. I think I used a kid one.
Now we need this up. You doing good?
Why Why did you tap it like that?
Maybe.
Who taught you guys how to do edges?
Me, myself, and I.
My mom taught me. Yes. I've seen her do edges before, so I thought I could try it on her.
You guys look so focused.
She said meatball.
What are you doing, Patty?
Her edges. What are you doing?
Her edges?
Okay.
That's a weird conversation.
So I believe Jayla's using Equal Style gel for one side, and then Romella LaShawn is using the, what are you using? Cantu Edge Gel.
Do the same thing. Well, it's kind of like the same.
Melissa wants me to close my eyes so
But you can't
that I can be surprised.
I didn't know you have sideburns. Oh, what? So long.
That's how much you pull out too. If you don't want that much, put some back.
Abraham.
You better not have my sideburns coming all the way to my dang neck.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
What are you doing?
It's ugly.
Probably not even think she's doing it.
That's ugly. Oh, I had a great S too.
So why do you like S's?
S for snake.
S for snake.
1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S.
I feel like I'm getting pampered and it feels so good. Nobody don't have to want to do my hair, so
Oh,
it's cool. Yeah, I'll let y'all do it.
Alright.
My hair's done, everything's done.
Yep.
The way I want it.
Yep. My edges that way. Share edges this way.
So guys, we're done with my mom's hair and her makeup. So comment down below if you guys like it. I think it's
Actually,
beautiful.
let's see it.
Okay.
So first let's start with me. My baggy. Me. This is mine. It's really beautiful. Like it, mommy?
I love it.
And this is mine.
LaShawn's.
I love it. Comment down below what you guys think. It's beautiful to me. I don't know if is it supposed to be in the back or on the side.
Just, it don't matter. It never
You
fine.
guys for doing my makeup.
Kissy face.
So this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you feel like they did a good job, make sure you guys give a big fat thumbs up. And make sure y'all turn on them post notification bells. And if you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you guys comment down below and let us know.
I think my mom looks like a diva princess and I like it because I'm a diva princess. Would she call me princess? I'm not a diva. I'm a princess. Anyways, peace out.
I love it.
And we're out. Peace.